Okay, we're back with our second exercise. So this exercise is quite similar. Again, it's involving a pulling action and driving through our heels, but we're focused on doing one leg. So most of our sports that we see where people have kneecap pain are involve things like running activities. And for running activities, you need to have good single leg strength. And that involves not only having the big, strong, powerful muscles like your quads and your hamstrings, but also a lot of the deep control muscles around your hips. Now, when you do single leg, you've got to work those hip muscles to maintain your balance. So we've got our cable again. We're just going to use one handle this time. So I've brought it up just a little bit higher than last time, but still fairly low. You can do this with or without a step, but I'm going to show you with a step. I prefer the step. So I've got the cable in my left hand. I'm going to have my right leg forward, and I'm going to put my ball of my foot up on my little step. Now my back leg is not doing much work. It is just for balance. Most of the work, or pretty much all of the work, is going to come through the front leg. So just like before, the cable's pulling me forward, I'm sitting back, I've got my glute already firing on the front leg. I'm lunging down, and then I'm pulling back. Now when I come down, I'm making sure that my knee doesn't cross an imaginary line. Kneecap pain is often brought on by either getting your knee too far forward or crossing too far into the middle. So they're the two things that I'm focused on. So as I go down into the lunge, I'm sitting back so my knee hasn't got too far forward, and I'm keeping it from crossing into the middle. Pull, pull. Good. So that's the lunge pull.